Hello everybody and welcome to week 10 of EDU6200. That's right, we are getting closer and closer to three-quarter way through this course, and it is just flying by on us at this point. This week there's no real content because we just had a nice discussion either last night or on Thursday talking about chapters 7, 8, and the first part of the Florida School Laws book. I do want to give you some reminders and things coming up during the next few weeks. So first of all, week 10 starts off tomorrow, and that is chapter 8 in your textbook. The week 10 group should have already posted their content tonight. I'm going to check on that in a little while. I haven't had a chance to do that. Just got home a little while ago from South Florida. And you're also going to turn in WCG number 4, the Compliance Action Plan presentation, which I did review with all of you during the online video chat. So do make sure you pick that one area of focus from your school's plan from number 3, and then you use that to outline the stuff in assignment number 4 based on the rubric. Sorry, guys. Coming up in week number 11 is chapter 9, again, the same discussion forum. And this is the school and local community research assignment. Now, I want to take a moment and go over that rubric with you. So give me 1 second to pull that one up. That is number 7. Sorry, guys. Let's see. No, that would be number 6. There's number 7, school and community research. So what you guys are doing on this is you're going to find 5 appropriate educational publication resources. And with that 5, you're going to be looking at 5 ways school leaders build sustainable and collaborative relationships that impact the well-being of schools and families in the community. So basically, how do you get family and community involvement? A big, big piece of what a leadership role is all about in the school. And so you're going to look at 5 different ways that happens. You're going to also present this information in some way. So it could be a PowerPoint, could be a bulleted list, however it works for you. But do make sure you have 2 things in this piece. Number 1 is those 5 ways you're getting the information, those 5 resources. And number 2 is going to be the 5 ways effective leaders go ahead and pull that piece in for their staff. That's a really important piece, number 7. I do want to also look at upcoming weeks with you guys because, like I said, next week 11 is that. 12 is assignment number 6, which is the other half of the professional development assignment that's due tonight. And on this one, really what you're going to be doing is looking at what you did in assignment number 5. You're going to look at a professional development practice. So one of those 5 things you looked up on how to do professional development. One of those 5. Okay, you pick one. Then you're going to tie it to school needs. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 of the school needs. It could be all 5 of those PD needs you wrote down. And then you're going to develop a mock professional development that you're going to create a brochure for. And basically, you're going to sell us on the PD from the brochure. Why do we want to take it? How's it tied to school needs? How's it going to benefit us? That all goes on the brochure. You are then going to share the brochure with either colleagues at your school or colleagues in our course. 2, 3, 4, no more than that. You can do an online chat if you want in Zoom like we've done. And then you're going to write a 1-page reflection based on that. So for example, if your colleague said, I think this will work great because of XYZ, you'd write about that. If your colleague said, I think you might want to change it because XYZ, you'd write about that. That's basically what's going to happen in assignment number 6, which is due in a few weeks. The last thing I want to talk about is assignment number 8. Sorry, guys. Those of you who heard me last night hacking away, I'm still hacking. I'm sorry. My cat Ariel just told me, stop coughing. Stop coughing. She said it. All right. Assignment number 8. There are several parts of this assignment. That's why I told you in the chat you want to get started now. You need to develop a survey with 10 questions. I recommend Likert questions. That's the strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree, because in a Likert scale, you're able to get data you can easily graph. So you're going to create a 10-question survey, and you're going to administer it to a group of parents. Then you're going to summarize the data using technology. So take all that data and summarize it in a graphical format. Then you're going to write about it. 3 pages, minimum. 3 pages written about the data. So for example, you might say that on question number 1, blah, 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 80% either agreed or strongly agreed. That's how you summarize it. And then finally, you're going to write a one-page reflection on what you learned from the assignment and how you can use it to benefit yourself as a future school administrator. That's assignment number 8. It's not due for a while. It's not due till after Thanksgiving. But if you guys wait till after Thanksgiving to do it, you're not going to get it done. So I want you to be thinking about that and getting ahead on assignment number 8. And of course, you want to run questions by me ahead of time. I'll be glad to look at them. You want me to talk about it with you? I'll be glad to have a conversation with you. But that's really what's coming up in the next few weeks. So get assignment number 5 in tonight. Work on number 4 and discussion forum for week 10, chapter 8 this next week. And then we'll talk again during week 12, the next video chat, and have more conversations about this assignment number 8 as well. It's one of the topics I bring up at that point. Anything else, you guys can come on and reach out to me. If not, have a great week, have a great night, and I'll see you all real soon.